TV. It's Ree here, and today we have a fall special for you. I kind of want to start a new segment on the channel, and I don't really know what I want to call it, so drop your ideas in the comments. I'm thinking taste time, and on every episode or most episodes I want to have someone featured, so I'm going to bring a visitor and we're going to make a treat together. It can be hearty, it can be savory, it can be whatever we want to cook that day. So today, because it's fall and it's close to Halloween time, I don't know if you can tell by these ingredients, but we're going to be making caramel apples. When I tell y'all we are so excited to make these apples, I don't even know how to like describe it. So first, I'm just going to tell you a few of the things we have going on here, and then I'm going to introduce my guest, and then we're going to get started. So we have a crock pot here. You can also use a pot, or you can melt it in a bowl in the microwave, or you can use a pot on the stove to melt it. But we're going to use a crock pot for convenience. We have our apples here. We have the big red ones are Honey Crisp. The big green ones are Granny Smith. And then we have a small Gala apple here. Along with the caramel bites, we have 2 bags of those. One bag is supposed to make 5 caramel apples, so we probably will use a bag and a half. We have these sticks here. They're called bamboo lollipop sticks, but if you can see here, this looks like an apple or maybe a cake pop, and they have a pointed end and a flat bottom, so it's perfect for making caramel apples. And we have some toppings here. Here we have chopped walnuts, and here we have chopped peanuts and pecans. So we'll probably use these because they're smaller. I just got these because when I originally was shopping, they didn't have these. I got these at a different store. So anyways, we're going to get started. Also we have these to place the apples in, along with aluminum foil and parchment paper so it doesn't get stuck. And am I missing anything? Some cling wrap for like toting it away and covering it up and storing it in the refrigerator. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce my guest. Drum roll, my guest is my sister. Woo! So this is my sister. Her name is Akilah Moore.
Hi guys.
I call her Keela because that's just what I call her. She is a stylist and like a fashion person, and she's excellent at what she does, and I will link her website down below. If you're in the Nashville area and need her help, I'm gonna let her tell y'all what she can help y'all with. Go ahead.
Okay. Hi guys, my name is Akilah. I'm a personal and family stylist based out of Nashville. I can assist you with any of your styling needs, personal shopping, closet organization, anything of that nature. If it's fashion related, I can probably help you out. So hit me up, guys. My website will be linked below. Thanks.
And your Instagram.
And my Instagram. It'll all be linked below.
Okay guys, we're back. So that was my sis, and she's my guest for today. And we're just gonna stop talking and get right into it. Okay, so we're getting started. What are we doing first?
We're gonna wash our hands. It's cold and flu season. We're gonna wash them twice.
Cleanliness is next to holiness. Please ignore the dishes in the sink that I have to put in the dishwasher. Who judging? I'm not over here. All right, you know, guys, you just do the happy birthday song twice. Is it twice? Happy birthday.
We're gonna do the black version.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, so first we're gonna start by melting the caramel. So for 1 bag, oh, grab the scissors around the corner. We're gonna put the crock pot on. You think we should put it on high or low? We don't want it to burn, right?
Right. Is there a medium?
Nah, it's just low or high. Sorry, y'all. I have a big crock pot, but we decided to use this little one because it should be good. So for 1 bag of caramels, we're gonna put that in there.
Okay.
And then for every 1 bag of caramels, we need 2 tablespoons of water.
Oh, that's not what I was supposed to be doing.
2 tablespoons of water.
Okay. Oh. I I ain't the cook, y'all. She the cook.
Exactly. That's why it's interesting to watch her cook, guys.
I don't be doing this.
She's the fashion person and I'm the cook of the family.
Okay.
So to combine that, we're gonna grab one of those wooden spoons around the corner.
Will this one work?
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
You knew exactly what you were doing. Okay, so it said for every bag.
I need more water.
I know, it seems like you need more water, right?
Girl, that thing already melting.
Okay, so it said for every bag, it's 5 apples. So we got 2, 4. You think we should do the whole bag just because we got a lot of apples?
Yep.
Okay, we're going to do 2 bags just because we got a lot of apples. And let me give y'all the details on this in case you want to make them yourself. It's the Kraft Caramel Bits, unwrapped for easy melting. And this is the 11-ounce bag. I believe it was no more than $2 at Walmart. I will look up the exact price for you at the Walmart in my area where I got that from, and I will insert it in the video for you guys.
And they smell so good.
And in case anyone wondering, this recipe is vegetarian and not vegan because of the caramel. And I will be notating in my recipes if they're vegetarian or vegan, because guys, I am vegetarian. I just like to cook a lot of vegan meals, so I like to call myself vegan-ish. So yeah, so we're gonna let these get melted, nice and melted. We kind of saw fit to put more water in it just because we wanted it to make sure it was melting really nicely. So definitely do that. And we got this idea from the back of the actual pack. So we are back in business. And how long do you think we left this on low?
Oh gosh, probably about an hour.
We probably did it about an hour. And you see, it is the perfect consistency.
Yep.
For caramel apples. So right now, what we're about to do is you're about to see us put the sticks in the apples, dip them, and then put nuts on them if we want them. And then, yeah, we're going to show you how we finish up this process. Stay tuned. Oh, yeah, this looks great. Ooh. Yes, you look like you know what you're doing.
Girl, don't it?
Yeah.
I don't.
This looks amazing. You look like you've been in the kitchen before.
I haven't.
This looks Marsha Stewart-ish. Mess it up, girl. Alright, so tell the people what you're doing.
Okay, so we got these little, I don't know what these are called.
Lollipop sticks.
Okay. Sure. We got these lollipop sticks. Mm-hmm. And we're just basically stabbing the apple. Mm.
So basically what's going on, guys, is she is opening up the packages of nuts that we have. And this is where we're going to roll the apples once we put the caramel on. Oh my gosh. Good job wasting all those freaking nuts. Just going to grab some of the nuts. I'll toss them in there, and then we're gonna pulse them in the NutriBullet. Yeah, we made peanut butter. Yeah, we just made peanut butter.
Oh shit.
We made peanut butter.
Okay, but I don't think it's bad because we still got the other ones in there.
Alright, so we're still gonna use it. I think this was a good idea, actually.
I know, right? It ain't too bad.
No, I think this is a good idea.
Because it still got the texture.
It's gonna be so good.
But we at least get more on there.
Yeah. see.
Oh.
Is it good?
Girl, yeah.
What it tastes like?
Like out from Kroger. Yep.
So, wait, so you tried a Gala apple. I'm trying a Granny Smith, guys. Whew, I'm nervous. Okay. Oh, yeah.
Take like this from Kroger.
Wow.
Boom.
It's good, guys. It's so good. So definitely make this recipe, guys. It was super simple. It tastes really good. And it's fall time, duh. And don't forget to check out her Instagram and website. It will be linked down below for all your fashion needs in the Nashville area. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.